In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert symbols fast in PowerPoint using a simple keyboard shortcut. If you've ever found yourself sifting through menus and icons, trying to find the exact symbol you need, you'll know how time-consuming and frustrating it can be, especially when you're in the middle of crafting an engaging presentation. Today, I'll show you a quick and efficient way to bypass all that hassle. To get started, you'll first need to open PowerPoint on your computer. If PowerPoint isn't already open, now's the time to fire it up. Next, head over to your PowerPoint presentation. This is the one that you've been working hard on, full of crucial information and striking visuals meant to captivate your audience. Once you have your presentation open, navigate to the slide that contains the text box where you'd like to insert your symbol. You'll want to ensure this text box is selected before moving on. After locating the correct slide, go ahead and click on your text box. Clicking on the text box ensures that it is active, allowing you to directly edit and make changes. Now comes the part you've been waiting for, the keyboard shortcut. Simply press the Alt key and the equal sign key at the same time. This key combination might seem unfamiliar, but it's incredibly effective. What this does is bring up the equation editor within PowerPoint. You might wonder why the equation editor? Well, it's because this tool allows you to insert a variety of symbols efficiently. With the equation editor now open, type in your equation or any symbols you require. The great thing about this method is its versatility. You're not limited to a preset list of symbols. Instead, you have the power of the equation editor to insert exactly what you need. Whether it's basic mathematical symbols, complex equations, or something entirely specific to what you're presenting. Utilizing this shortcut, you'll find that inserting symbols is not just fast, but also very efficient, allowing you to maintain focus on your content without breaking stride. It might take a few tries to get used to the shortcut if you're new to it, but once you do, you'll see a significant boost in productivity. So the next time you need to insert a symbol, remember these simple steps and let them save you valuable time and effort. And there you have it. By using a simple keyboard shortcut, you can quickly and efficiently insert symbols into your PowerPoint presentation without having to search through endless menus. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tricks. Until next time, happy presenting.